Hello everyone, welcome to Mohendra Coaching Center's channel. Today we will discuss two words that some students often get confused with. These words are dilemma and skeptical. So let's look at each word and its meaning and use them in sentences. First word is dilemma. Dilemma means a situation in which you have to make a difficult choice between two or more things. In Punjabi it means ਦੁਬਿਧਾ ਜੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੁਬਿਧਾ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੋ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇੱਕ ਜਾਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਦੋ ਜਾਂ ਤਿੰਨ ਆਪਸ਼ਨਸ ਹੋਣ ਐਂਡ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਚੋਂ ਇੱਕ ਚੂਜ਼ ਕਰਨੀ ਹੋਵੇ ਦੈਨ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਹ ਵਰਡ ਯੂਜ਼ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ ਫॉर एग्जांपल आफ्टर 10th grade I was in dilemma whether to choose commerce or science course of studies. Next word is skeptical. Skeptical means having doubts. ਜਦੋਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕਿਸੇ ਚੀਜ਼ ਨਾਲ ਰਿਲੇਟਡ ਡਾਊਟਸ ਹੋਣ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਹਿ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ I am skeptical about that thing. For example, the people of our town are skeptical about promises made by mayor before elections. It means people of our town are having doubts about promises. They have doubts. ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਸ਼ੰਕਾ ਹੈ. Next example is my parents are skeptical about my investment in shares. It means my parents have doubts about my investment in shares. So ਜਦੋਂ ਵੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਹਿਣਾ ਕਿ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਡਾਊਟਸ ਨੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਹ ਵਰਡ ਯੂਜ਼ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ I am skeptical. Okay, if you find this video informative and worthwhile then please share it with your friends and thank you for watching and have a good day.